All right, so we took off that hose. Where would be video 3 or 4? We took off the suction line hose that had the service valve located at the compressor, and it was pulling down to 5 psi. Then I cut this open, and the Teflon or whatever is coating in here, I cut it open. It's all collapsed inside. That's another hose inside. That's a hose in a hose. It's delaminated. It's not open. If you can see inside there. So this is all collapsed inside. I'll cut this open better so you can see it. So we were flashing the light in here. The light was bouncing in the shiny silver metal coming up here, and I was trying to see it looking down inside like that, and it didn't look smooth and circular, only on one side. And then I could see as I moved the pipe around, it was deformed in the top, and that was in the video before this video. So let's finish doing the autopsy on this, and I'll finish cutting this open, slicing it open, and we'll take a look inside. This is the first time I've ever caught one of these live on video. 20 years ago was the last time I've seen one, and I've seen end results of other people cutting them open, but I was never able to catch it on video what the gauges do when I see them as it's happening. It's too bad I couldn't what I would have done when I used to make, I would have drilled a hole right here or drilled a hole here, and I would have brazed on another fitting, and I would have taken a pressure drop, and on this side up here I would have seen 40 or 60 psi, and then on this side 5 psi, telling me right here in the middle is the restriction. You could not feel, there was no temperature difference by feel. I put the clamp on, there was no flow, and there was no temperature difference from here to here. You couldn't see no flow. There was no way for you to diagnose this by hand because it was so well collapsed. The temperature here and the temperature here were equal. And the only thing you would have been able to do, a fitting here, a fitting there, and you would have seen a pressure drop. But there was not enough refrigerant flow to get a temperature drop. All right, let's cut it open and see the rest.